Ashley Davies.
She's beautiful.
Spencer Carlin.
Ways. My lips were the right size for that perfect face. It's over now, but I can't forget those big brown eyes. I feel so dead, but I know I'm very much alive. Wish I could hear her voice before I go to sleep. Well, I guess I can, but she doesn't actually speak. It's just saved in my mind like all the other memories that I know she'll forget.
Life will be hell if you get caught,
I keep close to me.
and it will be caught.
Close to me.
The story goes on and on until I close my eyes and take the biggest breath of my life. It never reaches my lungs, stays in my throat. I know it's
What is your problem?
impossible, but I still have hope.
It's not the same, her and I are just parallel shapes. Two lines that never touch, but are in viewing range. It hurts so bad knowing that I can't hold her hand. I think of ways to tell.
Exactly. Perfect.